If you're looking for the best Forex brokers in South Africa, look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 picks and why they are the best. Hey, welcome back. It's Yuri Safrono, aka Professor Forex. I have a PhD degree in finance and I teach hundreds of students every year. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 picks for the best regulated Forex brokers in South Africa. I have evaluated them on 5 points: regulation, trading platform, trading instruments offerings, trading fees, and customer support. Now, if you're like me and you want to make sure that you're working with a reputable and reliable broker who can give you the best trading experience possible, so whether you are just starting or you are an experienced trader, there are brokers will have something for everyone. All the brokers I choose are regulated and licensed by FSCA, which stands for the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. It's important that your broker is regulated by FSCA if you trade in South Africa, since this is the main conduct regulator for financial service firms and financial markets in the country. Now let's start with the first. Please note that it's the randomized list and that the first or last broker on this list is not better than the other one. Markets.com. The first FSCA regulated broker I'll talk about is Markets.com, with the goal of creating an easier way to trade and invest in financial markets. Starting with regulation, Markets.com is regulated with FSCA. Actually, the broker is multi-licensed, having also the license in the UK, Cyprus, South Africa, and more. Markets.com was established in 2008 and their parent company is listed in the London Stock Exchange, which makes the broker very reliable since they need to always adhere to the laws and regulations. Now, what about Markets.com trading platforms? They have built their own proprietary platform named MarketsX and MarketsCI. Besides this, they also offer traders the industry standard trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. With their MarketsX platform, you can access to the most competitive range of fundamental, technical, and sentimental-based trading tools. And with MarketsCI, you can invest the traditional way or be creative with Investment Strategy Builder. Play the long game or try short term, it's always your call. Next, what can we trade on Markets.com? They offer traders 233 CFDs on Forex, stocks, ETFs, indexes, commodities, and bonds. For Forex, they have 65 currency pairs. The maximum leverage they offer is set to 1:30 for the UK. What about the costs and fees of Markets.com? They don't charge fees for transactions. The spreads are variable according to the market movement. The minimum deposit is $100 to open an account with Markets.com. And for withdrawal, there is no minimum except for wire transfers, and this minimum is $100. Another thing you need to consider with Markets.com is that they charge an inactivity fee of $10 per month if your account was inactive for 3 months. Lastly, how is Markets.com customer support? The broker's team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. They are usually quicker to respond during normal business hours from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m., but you can always contact them by email or live chat at any time. For opening a trading account with Markets.com, check our link below in the description. Next, I'm gonna talk about IronFX. It's a specialized broker that offers traders access to global CFD and Forex markets with a world-class MT4 trading platform. Moreover, the variety in account types, low spread, PAM, and the MT4 multi-terminal makes the broker unique. Starting with the regulation, IronFX is also regulated with FSCA. Along with FSCA, the broker is authorized and regulated by FCA UK, ASIC Australia, and CISIC in Cyprus. Now let's talk about IronFX trading platforms. For IronFX South Africa, they only offer the world's famous MT4 trading platform. They don't have MT5 or any other platforms. You can download it on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Next, what can you trade on IronFX? IronFX offers 83 currency pairs, 6 metal pairs, 17 indexes, 3 commodities, 25 CFDs on futures and shares of world-famous companies of different markets. For Forex, spread starts from 0 pips. Leverage for currency pairs is from 1 to 100 up to 1 to 1000, depending upon your equity amount. Let's have a look at the costs and fees of IronFX. For live floating and live fixed accounts, there are no commissions. For zero spread and absolute zero spread STP ECN, the commission starts from $18 up to $43 depending on the currency pair. Minimum deposit amount is $50 and the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Lastly, how is IronFX customer support? The broker's customer support in South Africa is available 24 hours a day, 7 days per week through live chat and phone call. I have checked their live chat. They are very quick to respond. AvaTrade was founded in 2006. AvaTrade CA was established itself as a major player in the online financial field with a proven track record of positive customer satisfaction. Starting with the regulation, AvaTrade ZA is also regulated by the FSCA. The AvaTrade is also regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland and Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission in Europe. It's also regulated by Polish Financial Supervision Authority, by ASIC in Australia, by British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission for Global Operations, by Financial Services Agency and Financial Futures Association of Japan in Japan, by Financial Regulatory Services Authority for Middle East, and by Israel Securities Authority in Israel. Now let's talk about AvaTrade South Africa's trading platforms. The broker offers a selection of manual trading platforms, a well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, Ava Options for options trading, AvaTrader Go for mobile trading. Next, what can we trade on AvaTrade? They offer 55 Forex pairs, 14 cryptocurrencies, CFDs on stocks of major companies in the world, ETF, bonds, indexes, and commodities. The broker spread starts from 0 and leverage is up to 1 to 400. What about the costs and fees of AvaTrade? AvaTrade does not have any charges or fees on trading or transactions. They generate profits by spreads and swaps from the trade itself. The minimum deposit is 100 of your base currency. When withdrawing to credit cards or e-wallets, the minimum amount is 1 base currency of the account. When withdrawing via bank transfer, the minimum amount is 100 base currency. So lastly, how is AvaTrade customer support? The broker gives live chart support with a chart bot and live agent. They also have WhatsApp support and phone call support 24/5. I have checked their live chart. They are very quick to respond. Plus 500 AU Pty Limited is an authorized financial service provider in South Africa. And there have over 2,000 instruments available on the platform. Plus 500 is listed on the London Stock Exchange main market and listed companies and headquarters in Haifa. Starting with the regulation, Plus 500 is also regulated by FSCA. The broker is based in Australia and licensed and regulated by ASIC for Australia and FMA for New Zealand. Now let's talk about Plus 500 trading platforms. Plus 500 uses a proprietary trading platform, web browser platform. It's accessible from any browser. You can also download the desktop version on your PC or laptop. They also have Android and iOS app. Next, let's see what can we trade on Plus 500. They offer more than 60 currency pairs, 17 cryptocurrencies, most popular indexes, commodities like gold, oil, and silver, popular shares, options, and ETFs. Spreads for Plus 500 vary depending on the instruments you are trading. Leverage varies from 1 to 2 for cryptos to 1 to 30 for Forex. What about the costs and fees of Plus 500? They don't have any trading fees. They make money by spreads and swaps. But they have an inactivity fee of $10 per month if your account was inactive for 3 months. Minimum deposit is $100. Depending on withdrawal methods, they have different withdrawal limits. You will find it out on the withdrawal screen of Plus 500 platform. Lastly, how is Plus 500 customer support? They have chat support on WhatsApp, and you can also email them to get your query answered. They don't have live website chat or phone call support. Our last broker is FBS. It's a leading Forex broker offering trading opportunities that include multi-market Forex, metals, CFDs, and more. Starting with the regulation, FBS is also regulated by the FSCA. The broker is also regulated by the International Financial Services Commission, IFSC, and Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CSEC. Now let's talk about FBS trading platforms. FBS has a proprietary mobile app named FBS Trader, along with MT4 and MT5 for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. FBS Trader has a professional 24/7 chart support in 16 languages. It's an easy-to-use application. Now let's see what can we trade on FBS. They offer Forex, metals, indexes, energy, stocks, and crypto. For crypto trading, they have a separate crypto account. Spreads vary depending on account types. They have 6 account types in total. Leverage at FBS is from 1 to 50 to 1 to 3,000. What about the costs and fees of FBS? They have commissions in zero account, ECN account, and crypto account, but cent, micro, and standard accounts do not have any commissions. Deposit starts from $1 for cents accounts and up to $1,000 for ECN accounts. They don't have any withdrawal limits. Depending on your deposit and withdrawal methods, charges may vary. Lastly, how is FBS customer support? They give customer support through various ways. They have a live website chat, Facebook Messenger, Viber, Line, Telegram, and WhatsApp. You can also contact them by email or phone call. So there you have it, the top 5 Forex brokers in South Africa. For more great platforms that are available to those who live in South Africa, check our website and find some others on this list too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. And do share with your friends if they are looking for some great insights about Forex and other financial markets. Thank you so much.